Morella is a Pittsburgh-based law firm founded in 2023 that is renowned for its commitment to providing exceptional legal services. From property tax assessments to appeals to their client-centered approach, Morella has you covered. To tell us more about how they can help you, we are joined by founder and managing partner Matt Morella and partner Nick Bensix. Gentlemen, thank you so much for being here. We really appreciate it.
Thanks for having us.
Absolutely, Matt. Here. So we will start with you here, the big issue at hand here. Why are property tax assessment appeals such an important issue for homeowners and property owners in Western Pennsylvania right now?
Yeah, so Darren, property taxes are a recurring expense that every property owner has every single year. So when we look at property taxes, it's one of those things that it's money out of our pocket that we need to pay. It's an obligation and a responsibility, but our job is to make sure that you're only paying your fair share and nothing more than that. So it's an important issue because it deals with our bottom line.
Absolutely. You know, Nick, taking a look here, whether someone can tell if their property may be over-assessed or not, that's an issue. And I imagine that probably happens more times than people may expect. Is that correct?
Absolutely. When we get calls from different folks, they may have a high tax bill and not be over-assessed. They may have a low tax bill and not be under-assessed. What you have to do is determine what the fair market value of your property is. And really what that means is, what could you sell it for tomorrow? We look at different factors. What did your neighbor's house sell for? Do you have a recent appraisal? A number of different things. And when folks aren't sure if they're being overassessed, they call our office, we perform the evaluation, and we let them know whether they're paying more than what they should be.
Absolutely. So that's the problem. That's where Morella is here to help. Matt, we're going to take this down to the local level. What have local counties been doing recently with property reassessments and then property tax assessments?
Yeah, so Darren, we use what's called a base year system here in Pennsylvania. Allegheny County hasn't redone the reassessment since 2012. Beaver County just redid it in 2023. Mercer County did it, hasn't done it in 50 years, and they're going through a reassessment right now. So counties are a little bit all over the board. The ball's in their court, but what we're seeing is that whenever you have old or outdated assessment values, we got to catch that up with the current fair market value, make sure that your taxes are correct and you're not paying any more than you should be.
Yeah, interesting local perspective for sure. Nick, what does the property tax appeal process look like, and then how long does something like this usually take?
Absolutely. So the property appeal process, it starts with a call to our office, and we provide a free evaluation for individuals. And we deal with landlords who have hundreds of properties, and we deal with individuals on a fixed income with their family home. We deal with everyone in between. That's what starts the process. And then if they're a good candidate, we take it to the board.
So we take it to the board, and then so we start at the board level. We get a decision back within 30 to 90 days. If either party is dissatisfied with the result at the board level, we have the opportunity to take it to the Court of Common Pleas. You need a lawyer in most cases whenever you take something to court. And it can be as short as 60 days. It could be as long as a year or more. It really is a case-by-case basis. We know that there's an interest in getting these appeals resolved swiftly and efficiently, so we do our best to move them forward as quickly as we can.
Well, speaking of starting the process, let's start the process right now, shall we, Matt? So if somebody wants to get in touch with Morella, move forward and hear from you guys, what do you think they should do?
Best thing to do is visit our website and fill out an intake form. mbtaxappeals.com. You can go in and type in your name, your address, give us a little bit of details about your property. We'll get back to you with the free review, no charge.
Easy as that. Matt and Nick, thank you guys again for being here. We really appreciate it. To learn more about Morella, like Matt just said, visit their website, mbtaxappeals.com, or give them a call, 412-960-1656.